doing? I have been on here constantly talking about wanting to use the nitrous and everything. Well, guess what? It is about that time. I'm gonna go out and take my girlfriend on a ride, and we're gonna go try and see how it works on about a 75-ish shot, probably like 70 the way it's jetted. Sorry I sound a little nasally, I've been kind of sick here lately, but anyways, let's go ahead and get into it, and we're gonna get a little bit of footage of both of us riding around with the 70 shot in it, and we'll see if we can see the difference, see how it runs, and I'm excited, so let's do this. Cold start. Nice. It's dead. So let's charge it. Time to crack the seal. Alrighty, so we are finally going to take the Camaro out and try a test hit with the nitrous. I'm probably going to try it on motor first and just make sure the car is all good before I try it with the nitrous. You think it's gonna blow up, or do you think it's gonna go?
It's probably gonna blow up.
I love her confidence.
My money is on blow up.
Her money is on blow up. What do you guys think? So we'll I'll get back to you. We're gonna do a little pull just on motor, and then we'll try it with the nitrous. And of course, this is all gonna be filmed out in Mexico. So we'll see you in the next one. First, let's do all motor. Pretty decent. Definitely still fun even on motor. That's not making a whole lot of power. But we'll see how about 70 horsepower worth of nitrous being sprayed into it makes a difference. I can't really get the pressure to go up a whole lot though. It's still kind of low. It's not really up at like 1,000 psi. It's probably closer to like 6, but I'm sure it'll still probably make a little bit of a difference, so we shall see. That guy's looking so funny. God dang.
Pretty much flew over that little hill, I mean.
That was hauling ass.
If your car had wings, we would have taken off over that hill.
Oh my God. Wow, 75 shot makes a difference, let me tell you. Holy crap, that thing was flying. I like it, that was fun. I had fun there. So yes, definitely makes a difference, even on a small shot. So I am excited to see what this does at the track, because that was freaking nuts. Alright guys, so that was a lot of fun, and she loved it. She had a blast. I will say, car definitely feels a lot different. And if you haven't already, I did just recently make a website, and I'm starting to sell a lot of like shirts and just stuff like that. Of course, you can check out and get this one here. This one just says, "It's all motor, I promise." Clearly, it's all motor, right? But yeah, so go ahead and check it out. I'll put my link to the website in my video, And just stay tuned for more. I'm sure I'll have a lot more footage on running the Nitrous and stuff. Now I got to find some races and stuff like that. But yeah, car ran really well, so I'm very happy with it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. So again, if you haven't already, go check out the new Bird